All right, guys, 2005 Chevy Silverado SS 6.0 Super Sport. Nicely finished in white with sexy wheels. Really nice truck. Got an airbag system on it and everything. What we got done on it for you guys? He wanted it loud, so he said, we got you. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Then we true dualed it. It already comes true dual, so he had a cherry bomb on it from another shop. It didn't sound good at all, so we took it off and true dualed it and dumped it in the middle right there. So he can access his airbags and everything without any issues, all right? So there it is, 2.5 inch, dumped right there, out the back. Look at that, beautiful, sexy. Compared to what I had on it before. It was widened to a single with a cherry bomb, just horrible. Took all that off, cleaned it up for him. There it is, SS truck. Very nice, very beautiful truck too. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. If you're ever in the area, hit us up. Much better. Oh, that's sick, bro. Look at his smile. Yeah. Hear sound decibels? 119, guys. That's awesome. Go to back it out. Look at that thing, it's beautiful, man. I love that truck. That stance is perfect. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy SS. There she goes. That sounds so good. 2003 Chevy Silverado SS. Really beautiful truck. As you guys can see, what we got done it, he brought his own high flow cats there and there. So we slapped them on for him, took the original ones off, then true dualed it already. It comes true dual, but we added to it. And then earlier in the year, he brought in the MagnaFlow Magna Packs and we did that for him. And it's still got the factory 3-inch tailpipe out the back. It's wide into a single 3-inch. That's how he wanted it. So we left it like that for him. It's got the SS tip right there, as you guys can see. There's the MagnaFlow Magna Packs and the 2 high flow cats. Part numbers on the high flows, 599, 59. I think 2 of them. Yeah, same part number on both. So there'll be a link in the description for both of them. 599, 59. All right, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Ooh, much better. That's what high flow cats does, guys. You can actually hear the Magna Packs now. Again. That ball. Wow. Again. 2004 Chevy SS with a 6.0, all the way from where? Chicago. They drove down right before Christmas. It's their Christmas present to themselves. So we appreciate them coming down. And what we did for them, still got factory converter there and there. Then on the SS's, it comes already true dual, but they wanted to keep the single look. They didn't want duals. So we put them a Y pipe, put them a carbon R right there. As you guys can see, a Y pipe, then carbon R. And then we did factory tailpipe. And then we finished it off with some Natami tips out the side. Angle cut, dual tip right there. Complete the look. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. For them in Chicago. There it is right there. So we're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, hit that subscribe. Yeah. So he's missing all the side skirting on it. He's gonna get new side skirting. And then when he does that, it's gonna look a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. Go ahead. It's perfect. Yeah, it's clean. Carbon always sounds good. Yeah, it's nice. Thumbs up? Yeah. I like it. And that's the muffler that was on it, guys. Dual in, dual out. As you guys can see right there. One more. Here's sound decibels. Right at 106. Wow, sounds good. Go ahead and back it up. And it needs the ground effects on it. Oh, that sounds sweet. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy SS 6.0 with carbon R. Another satisfied customer. We'll have a lot of those around here, guys. They see me recording, they start revving. Sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. Here's round 2, guys. This one's in cinematic. Tell me what you guys think. In cinematic or regular?